Hi everyone, and welcome to the grand finale of our dream fireplace wall build. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. In the last two parts, we built the cabinet and the shelves. Today, we're building the stunning centerpiece, the marble facade with the fireplace. And I'm going to show you my favorite secret hack for creating a super realistic fireplace without any electronics, using just a simple printout and the clear plastic from a box of chocolates. At the end of this video, we will assemble everything together for the final spectacular reveal. Let's finish this. For this grand finale, we'll be using these simple materials to create our magical fireplace wall. You will need cardboard for the main structure, your 3 printouts, a plain black one, a picture of burning flames, and our beautiful marble texture, a hot glue gun and paper glue, and your trusty tools, a ruler, pencil, and scissors. Oh, and of course, one more crucial piece for our realistic fireplace screen, a small sheet of clear plastic. For mine, I'm using a piece I saved from an old box of chocolates. It's the perfect upcycling hack for this. Okay, let's start by cutting out all of our pieces from the cardboard. I will have the exact dimensions for each piece appear on the screen for you to follow. Okay, let's start building the main structure of our fireplace wall. We're gonna take our main panel and attach the bottom and top pieces to it, just like this. Okay, now it's time for that luxurious marble finish. We're going to take our marble texture printout and carefully cover the entire front surface of our wall panel. We only need to do the front side since the back will be hidden. Next, we need to carefully cut out the opening for our fireplace. And don't worry about making the edges of this cutout perfectly neat and tidy. The fireplace insert will have its own frame that will cover any imperfections, so this part doesn't have to be perfect. Now, let's create our fire illusion. Take your fire printout and glue it smoothly onto the cardboard piece of the same size. Now take all the remaining small pieces for the fireplace insert. We're going to cover them completely with our plain black printout. This will create the dark inner walls of our firebox. Okay, all of our pieces for the firebox are ready. Now let's carefully assemble them into a box, with our beautiful flame printout as the back panel. This will create our magical fireplace insert. We're going to take our finished firebox and glue it to the back of our main wall panel, so the flames are perfectly centered in the opening. Take your piece of clear plastic, the one from the chocolate box, and carefully glue it over the fireplace opening on the front. And for the final finishing touch, let's create a frame around our fireplace opening. I'm cutting 4 thin strips from our plain black printout and gluing them neatly around the edges to give it a clean, professional look. And here it is, the completed dream fireplace wall. I am absolutely in love with the final result. All the pieces have come together perfectly to create the most amazing centerpiece for our living room. What is your favorite part? The cozy fireplace or the modern design? Let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you so much for being on this incredible 3-part journey with me. And don't forget, after this mini-series is complete, there will be one final video where I decorate the entire living room and give you the grand tour. If you want to see what room we build next, please subscribe and hit that notification bell because our Barbie dream house is just getting started. And a quick reminder that my Etsy shop is live. The printable PDF patterns for the viral sweater sofa and the matching armchair are available to download right now. The pattern for this entertainment center will be added in the future. You can find the link to my shop in the description and the pinned comment. So, with the living room officially complete, the big question is, what room should we build next? Should it be the kitchen, the bathroom, an office, or maybe another room entirely? You decide. Let me know your vote in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye!